In this week's court report, court dates keep getting continued for the Pahrump woman connected to the killing of 17 dogs after a fire was reportedly intentionally set inside her home. Diane Davis is facing charges including first-degree arson and torturing, injuring, and abandoning animals. Davis was present in custody last Monday for those matters and a separate case for which her sentencing has been continued to October 3rd. In that separate second case in district court, Davis was found guilty on 2 of 3 counts after being charged with obtaining and using personal ID, offering false instrument for filing, and burglary. The jury trial for Davis's arson animal death case is now set for March 7th through 10th and March 14th through 17th, 2017, with a calendar call scheduled on February 6th, 2017. A local man who allegedly ordered his pit bull to attack his girlfriend after he reportedly punched her in the face had his pretrial hearing on Wednesday. Jacob Noel, who court officials are calling a repeat offender, was present in custody. The bench trial that was scheduled for tomorrow was vacated, and the show cause hearing that was set for October 11th is now rescheduled. Noel is currently in custody on a new arrest, violation of a temporary or extended order, which occurred on August 14th. Noel has at least 5 open cases in justice court, with charges including resisting a public officer, animals running at large, permitting animal to attack animal or another, harassment, and domestic battery. A local woman who pleaded guilty to burglary as part of a plea deal has now had her follow-up status hearing. The court notes that Chelsea E. Nicholson, who is out on OR, now has a certificate of service for notice to withdraw charges filed by the state. The defendant also previously faced petty larceny charges connected to this case. There was an order of dismissal without prejudice prepared for signature. Nicholson obtained money under false pretenses and must pay $115 to Superpawn and stay out of trouble for 1 year. The autistic Pahrump young man accused of a sexually inappropriate encounter with a minor is now back in the custody of the Nye County Detention Center after finally being mentally evaluated at Lakes Crossing. Results find that Travis Finkelstein has been found mentally competent. This, according to his father, Joel. 22-year-old Travis was charged with lewdness with a child under 14 back in 2013. However, the defendant, who reportedly has cognitive disorders and has the mental capacity of a 10 or 12-year-old, might have been falsely accused. Finkelstein's father provided News 46 with a letter from the alleged victim's therapist, which states the girl now says she has not ever had a sexually inappropriate encounter with Travis. The chief district attorney has been contacted requesting Travis's release, also due in part to him reportedly being bullied by other inmates. But there has been no word back yet. Finkelstein's next court date is now scheduled for September 19th. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.